Understanding Tender Meat, a guide to English culinary phrases. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the world of culinary language in English. We'll be focusing on the phrase, tender meat. This is a common term you might come across in recipes, cooking shows, or restaurant menus. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations about food. The word tender, in the context of meat, refers to its texture. Tender meat is soft, easy to chew, and often considered more enjoyable to eat. This tenderness can be the result of various factors such as the type of meat, how it was cooked, and how long it was cooked. For example, meat that has been slow cooked for several hours is often more tender than meat cooked quickly at high temperatures. 1. Type of meat. Different meats have varying levels of tenderness. For instance, chicken breast is naturally more tender than beef brisket. 2. Age of the animal. Generally, younger animals have more tender meat. 3. Cut of the meat. Certain cuts are naturally more tender. For example, filet mignon is a tender cut of beef. 4. Cooking method. Slow cooking methods like braising or stewing can make tougher cuts more tender. 5. Marinating. Using acidic ingredients in a marinade can help break down tough fibers, making the meat tenderer. When talking about food in English, you can use tender meat to describe a dish you enjoyed. For instance, the chicken was so tender, it just melted in my mouth. I love how tender the beef is in this stew. It's a great way to express the quality of the meat in a dish and share your culinary experiences. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tender meat, and how it's used in the English language, especially in culinary contexts. Remember, it's all about the texture and the cooking process. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in the next video.